Welcome to my channel, Lively Post, and to my first video. My name is Irene. I'm a student at Western Governors University. I'm pursuing a master's in learning and technology. I was assigned to make an e-portfolio. As a result, I made the website www.blossomtech.weebly.com. You can reach this website down in the link below. On this first video, I will be teaching you how to take a picture, how to upload it to your computer, how to resize it, crop it, and adjust it, all using Microsoft PowerPoint. I use these skills in the Blossom Tech website to display my technology and artistic skills. You can use them too. Stay tuned to learn these valuable skills. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. On my website, I included an original photo of recycled newspaper artwork and journals. This image was taken by me with my personal iPhone and edited using PowerPoint as follows. 1. Lay out your props visual as desired. 2. Use your digital phone to capture the original photo. 3. Plug your phone to your computer and save the original photo onto your computer. In my case, I save my image as original in a folder located in my desktop. Now we're going to move on to resize this original image. To do this, 1. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. 2. Right-click on the slide and select Layout and click Blank. This should give you a blank slide. Click on the Insert tab, which should be next to the Home tab. 4. Click on Pictures and then click on this device. 5. Locate your original photo on your computer and click Open. This should insert your original picture into the slide. 6. Under the Format tab, which should be loaded automatically, resize the image to meet the 640 x 480 size requirement. 7. Right-click on the resized image and 8. Click Save as Picture. 9. Name the image and click Save. To crop your image, follow steps 1 through 5 from the resize instructions. For number 6, click on Crop under the Format tab, which should be loaded automatically. Move the black corners to the desired place and click outside the image to crop. 8. Right-click on the cropped image. 9. Click Save as Picture. 10. Name the image and click Save. To adapt your pictures, follow steps 1 through 5 as noted previously, but for number 6, click on Artistic Effects under the Format tab, which should be loaded automatically. 7. Click on the Glow Edges effect. It should be the last option. 8. Next, click on the corrections and choose plus 40% brightness and plus 20% contrast. 9. Right-click on the adapted image. 10. Click Save as Picture. 11. Name the image and click Save. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can take the skills you learned in this tutorial and apply them to your artistical, your working, and your technological endeavors. Peace and joy be upon you.